Hello everyone, this is Maribel Rences discussing someone I admire. This person has no connection with me and neither I am a fan of her. The person I'm talking about is Taylor Swift. So why Taylor Swift if I am not a fan of hers? I've watched her documentary on Netflix, Miss Americana, and that was when I started liking her. Taylor Swift's impact on young generation has caught my attention. Her incredible talents, deep emotional connection with the audience, strong values, and resilience are greatly commendable. In addition, the way she celebrates her life and her deep connections with her family have compelled me to choose her as my topic. Today, I will talk about Taylor Swift's journey of talent, strength, influence, along with her advocacy, strong family bands, and how I relate to her. Taylor's talent is evident in her songwriting and musical abilities. She started composing her songs based on her personal pain and experiences, showcasing her passion for her work. Her music resonates with millions by expressing raw emotions and relatable experience. With multiple awards, record breaking albums, and sold out concerts around the globe, she strengthened her place as one of the greatest artists in modern history. Beyond her success, Taylor is a person who embraces her strengths and acknowledges her vulnerabilities. While many celebrities fall into the trap of addiction and despair, she tackles her personal challenges head on. Her willingness to take breaks from her career for self-reflection shows a level of self-awareness not often seen in Hollywood. Her openness about her personal relationship, such as her current relationship with Travis Kelce, isn't just a topic of gossip. It is a reminder that love is something to celebrate openly, which reveals her willingness to be authentic despite public judgment. Taylor stands out as a unique individual who remains true to herself. Taylor Swift uses her influence for causes she deeply cares about. She has been an advocate for human rights, gender equality, and political awareness. She encourages young people to use their voices and stand up for what they believe in, making her not just a musician, but also a role model for positive change. Another admirable trait of Taylor Swift is her close relationship with her family. Her parents, especially with her mother, have played an important role in her life and career. Even at the age of 35, she continues to share a deep bond with her mother, who has supported her through every phases of her journey. She draws strength from her close family bond to handle the pressure of her career. I find myself relating to Taylor Swift in many ways, I guess. Her willingness to reinvent herself and take risks mirrors my journey of leaving my job to pursue a personal professional growth. Like Taylor, I value the importance of strong family bonds, just like as shared a deep connection with her parents. I too have a strong love for my parents and my children. I am hoping my kids show the same level of love and respect for family as Taylor's does for her mother. In summary, Taylor Swift is more than just a talented artist. She is a strong and passionate and influential individual. Her achievements, openness about personal struggles, advocacy for important causes, and deep personal bonds makes her an inspiring figure. Through her journey, she teaches us the value of perseverance, authenticity, and staying true to oneself. I know some might not agree with how I see her as a person, but I always respect people's opinion. Thank you so much.